Alright, today is October 20th. Yeah, Monday. And this is about 3:05 p.m. and I'm at Dumpling Factory. That's at Kapahulu Avenue. Yeah. So they do have a limited parking and yeah. So yeah. And at this, yeah, right on Kapahulu Avenue. So and Dumpling Factory. So yeah, decided I'm gonna eat here today. Alright. Oh, better view from out here. This side. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, looks nice, good. Today dumpling. Let's see. So daily hours. This. Oh, okay. And here's a menu. And wow. Oh, okay. Over here there's a sign. Okay. Opening daily 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Alright. So let's go in. Dumpling day. Alright. So wow. Okay. Hi. You're open? Huh? Alright, so wow, look at this place. Yeah. It's good. Alright, my lunch for the day. Okay. Okay. There you go. Oh, they got a light music going on. It's light, not too loud. And here's a menu. Alright. More menu. Okay. And then there's this side. Alright. See. So 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and they got some. Okay, what are we gonna have? Wow, they got lots of selections. So shrimp, appetizers. Okay. Oh, they got pork, chicken, beef, vegetables, pan fry. Brown sauce, broiled beef. Huh. Okay. So what's this side? Other than dumplings. Oh, okay. They got other things. So no. I'm here for dumplings. Brown sauce, braised beef. Pork belly. Okay. Okay. Alright, so wow, they got a lot of selections here. Alright, I'm kind of trying to see right away beef and onions. And it says pork fried. So, oh, pan fried. Beef and onions, pan fried. Or boiled. Pan fried looks better. Yeah. Okay. So got it. I'll continue once I get my order. Alright, so kind of like, yeah, over here inside, kind of getting a look. Looks nice. Yep. Yeah, this is off hours. Yeah. Alright. So once I get my food, I'll continue. Alright, here we go. Uh, let's see. This is beef onion pan fried dumplings. Wow. Okay. I thought that was a cover, but it's actually edible. Yep. It smells good. Wow. Mm. This layer is very tasty. Mm. Yeah. So let's see the dumplings. Okay. Wow. Oh, it's got a little oil dripping. I think that's the oil or liquid. Yeah. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, this is just the right portion for me. Mm. Wow, I gotta tell you, this is really good. Mm-hmm. Mm. Yeah, this dumpling is so good. Oh, yeah, very beautiful looking too, right? The food. Yeah, the music is playing in the background, but very light. I think this should be acceptable. Well, I'll upload this and then see how it comes out. Wow. Yeah, the dumpling is so tasty. Very good. seasoning is just enough that it gives a good taste and nothing else needed. I said for this, it's very unique. A really good dumpling. Very different in a good way. Oh, and the lady working here is so nice. Yeah. Wow. Oh, last one. I'm kind of debating whether I should order another one or I think this should be it. If if I wasn't thinking too much of my health, I'll probably order another one. Just keep eating it. It is really good. Wow, guys, so this has been a good meal. So thanks for watching.